Hello, in this video I show you how to fix the problem called this site can't be reached when you surf the web. You search for internet options in the search box. Next you go to Connections tab. Here you disable proxy server on your computer. This is one of the reasons why you get the above error. Or you use the next method to fix the error. The reason is because your computer has the wrong DNS address set up. In the search box, enter ncpa.cpl to go to set the IP address for your computer. Here you set up the DNS address as above. Above are two common errors that lead to this site can't be reached error and how to fix them. Thank you for watching. Good luck.